Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best blue cheese dressing. We'll begin by selecting a premium blue cheese, which is the heart of our recipe. You'll also need creamy mayonnaise, tangy sour cream, and a splash of buttermilk for the perfect consistency. Don't forget fresh garlic, a squeeze of lemon, and a dash of Worcestershire for that extra depth of flavor. This combination ensures a truly exceptional dressing. Now let's get mixing. First, gently crumble about 4 ounces of your chosen blue cheese into a bowl. Next, add 1 full cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of rich sour cream. These form the base of our dressing. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 finely minced garlic clove. This step is crucial for developing the dressing's signature tang and aroma. To achieve that ideal, pourable consistency, slowly whisk in about 1/4 cup of buttermilk. This thins the dressing beautifully without sacrificing richness. Now, it's time to season. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir, then taste. Feel free to add more crumbled blue cheese or a pinch more salt to suit your preference. Perfection is just a taste away. Once your dressing is perfectly mixed and seasoned, cover it tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 30 minutes. This crucial chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and intensify, creating a truly harmonious taste. When ready, serve your homemade blue cheese dressing with fresh, crisp salads, classic buffalo wings, or as a delightful dip for your favorite raw vegetables. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.